Broccoli Chicken Alfredo Lasagna. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 164. Fat 9 grams. Carbs 12 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Sugars 2 grams. Protein 10 grams. Ingredients. 4 tablespoons butter. 1½ tablespoons minced garlic. 2½ cups heavy cream. Black pepper. 1 cup grated cheese. 9 cooked lasagna noodles. Shredded rotisserie chicken. 500 grams chopped broccoli. 230 grams mozzarella cheese. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, melt the butter. Add the garlic, heavy cream, and black pepper, stirring constantly until it comes to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer. Add the cheese and continue stirring until the sauce thickens. Spread a generous amount of sauce on the bottom of a baking dish and cover with 3 cooked lasagna noodles. Add a layer of shredded chicken, broccoli, and mozzarella cheese. Add more sauce and repeat the process to make another layer. Cover with the remaining sauce and mozzarella cheese. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes until the cheese is browned. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!